Well, hello. Man, it's what was that? 55 degrees? Damn, another cold day here in Kansas. And a puddle. Cool. Yeah, typical stuff here on the old LS. All right, so today I'm really trying to have this thing all wired up. This I got off eBay for like 40 bucks. I think it's cheaper on Amazon, which I'm kind of upset about. But I have this on fuel pump here, so that'll kill fuel and stuff. All right. But I'm gonna be showing you guys how to wire this guy in. And get it back out. Come on. Sweet. All right. So I got that wired in for now. But guys, I actually ran the battery to the back. If you guys want to know how, it's very simple. Your power distributing box here that goes to the starter here, and then this one goes to your alternator stuff. Then I ran it through here, and then I ran that 0 gauge all the way on the corners here to the back. And then I for now, guys, I did this for ground. It works. Just don't bash on it too hard if it works. But this is ran to the ignition switch that gives power to the fuse box and everything else. So I should be able to hear everything kick on as soon as I put this on. Yep. There's the fuel pump kick on. The switch is working. Now if I can just tighten it. Okay, and then my starter wire, I have this still. This is like a, I think it's like 10 gauge or 8 gauge, something, but it's like a slow cranking. So if anybody knows why this happens, let me know. Yep, and that goes all power. So yeah, I don't know why it's like super slow and then just cranks up. I don't get it. It's probably like a weird draw or something. But as you guys can see, I am just puking transmission fluid from there. So I'm gonna put some Teflon because I know I have no Teflon on that, and hopefully that will actually, you know, fix that issue because that's annoying. But also I might take the dash out and run the PCM up in there so it's not like hanging on the ground. There's a lot of things I still have to do and it's kind of annoying. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by hooking the power jumper cable. So I'll run from here, I'll jump here to here to here. So technically when this has power, it'll send it with the switch through it, there, through. So technically this gives power to everything. If this ain't switched up, then you have no power anywhere else on here. And then I gotta wire up the starter one for the push button start. All right, so if you guys never have done this, it's pretty self-explanatory. So you take your one power wire that's going to the ignition switch from the fuse box. So once this on the top, when this thing right here on top gets power, so get that in with the spade connector. And then what I've done here is splice into one connector here, like that. So that one will go here, and then splice the other connector right here. So it's like it's a jump wire. So whenever I flip this switch here, bam, that gets power to this right here. So when you send the power, it'll send it, bam. So it's pretty easy because once this thing has power here on the bottom spade connector, you guys can tell on this one right here, it'll send it. Once you slip it up, bam, power. But you can always turn the power off by cutting the power just like that. So it's pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up and I'll show you the final product. Final product here. Pretty fancy here if I do say so myself. I should have wrapped it before I put them on. But you see guys how I made the jump wire from this one to the second one and then to the last one. So they all have power technically. I did this one by itself because technically this one already has power. I'm just doing that as a cutoff switch, you know, at the track if I ever crashed, God forbid, and just bam, cut the fuel, no more fuel, so I'm not gonna burn to death. So next, I'm gonna run the power wire into this, the push button start. Gonna be honest, I've never done it, don't know which one to do, so it's gonna be fun trying to figure that out. Number 4, it'll say number 4 or number 3 for some reason, if you guys can see it. Number 4 goes straight to the starter, and then number 3 goes to the battery that I have back here, right here. So now, it's pretty cool. Bam, that is awesome. And then I should hear everything if I flip this switch. Oh, whoops, didn't connect to the other side. Fail. All right, I'm gonna hook up that straight to power, and then we should be good to go. All right, so I went ahead and tightened up these transmission lines, and when I started it, something caught on fire, but it went out like almost immediately. I have no idea what it was. Nothing here is burnt up, nothing electrical wise. So I don't know if the transmission fluid actually caught on fire from the exhaust manifold right here, but I guess we're gonna find out again. I'm gonna try to start it. Oh, something burnt up. Okay, something burnt up. All right, so I figured out whatever the fuck what happened. Make sure everything's out the way. Okay, so let's see if it catches fire again. No fire?
No fire.
All right, did it leak? It still leaked.
Well, something sprayed.
This probably sprayed.
It came out like that way, but.
Oh, this stuff? Right here? Out of the exhaust?
Probably.
So, I'm pretty positive I need a transmission cooler, not this. These just keep leaking. I don't know why. I might as well just spend 70 bucks and get one. But, guys, this thing is super easy to actually work. Like I was saying, the first one right here is for my fuel pump. And then if you guys want to actually have this light up, like these two wires, there's a 12 volt right here. You guys can see it. There's a little 12 volt that you can hook up power, and then you can do the same thing on these powers. Then you can turn it on, bam, and then it's pretty self-explanatory. It's very simple. And then with these two switches on there, you can run whatever power you want to run. What I'm gonna do is run these three. These are for the interior, so I'll run it to here if I want like the headlights and the turn signal and everything on the instrument cluster to actually work. I'll run these to that. So pretty easy. It's pretty nice. And then when it sits in there, I'm saying pretty a lot, pretty flush, but yeah, it's pretty. Damn, can't stop saying pretty.
Yeah, it's
pretty. But yeah, guys, a little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.